Hello everyone, so this is Edmond Mindaros channel at sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to enable or turn on earn badges on YouTube app. So badges are earned by interacting with content such as answering questions or being an active listener in YouTube music, engaging with creators and joining channel membership. Kung paano ba natin ito i-turn on dito lang sa ating YouTube app, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-open dito ang ating YouTube app, i-click mo lang. Dito lang sa ating YouTube channel, and then dito lang sa bottom right corner, makikita mo dito yung ating YouTube profile, i-click mo lang. At dito lang sa ating YouTube profile settings, dito lang sa top right corner, makikita mo dito yung icon settings, i-click mo lang. And then dito lang sa settings, under lang dito sa account, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung general. And then dito lang sa general, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung earn badges. So, receive badges across all YouTube apps. Kung paano ba natin ito enable or i-turn on? So, dito lang sa kanyang right corner, makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So, i-toggle to on positions to right corner mo lang, and then magkulay blue na siya. So, ibig sabihin, naka-turn on na yan. Otherwise, kung gusto mo itong i-disable, so toggle to up positions to left corner, it's be grayed out, and then naka-disable na yan or naka-turn off. And again, kung gusto mo itong enable, so i-toggle to on positions to right corner. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple, and hope na nakapag-share ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa YouTube app, tutorials, and thanks for watching.